You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more vocabulary that too many get wrong and mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Facade, from French facade, facade, stress on the second syllable. Both British English and American English pronunciations are similar. It designates the principal front of a building or a deceptive outward appearance. Facade. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations, and remember, facade. Now you know. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.